Now, if we see, we're going to see what what 4 6 4 6 is. 4 times 1 6 gives us 4 times 60 degrees. 4 times 60 is 24. Carry the 0, that gives you 240 degrees. Okay, so here, so now we know that we reduce these into 9 over 6 plus 4 over 6. And that gives us, now we can add 9 plus 4 over 6. Because it's 13 over 6, which is our answer. Now, this is called an improper fraction, because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So here was called an improper fraction. It's correct. It is correct. But we call this an improper fraction. 13 over 6. Now, they may ask you to convert it into a proper fraction. Since the numerator is larger than the denominator, we're going to have to convert it into a mixed number fraction. You take 13 over 6. We say 13 we take, what we do is we add up. We say 6, write our 6 there, 6 plus 6, until you don't have any more 6's evenly anymore, because 6 plus 6 is 12, right? That makes 12, and you just got one more left over. 6 plus 6 plus 1 over 6. Now that gives you 6 over 6 plus 6 over 6 plus 1. Okay? Or that gives you 1 plus 1, or excuse me, that gives you 1 over 6. Made a mistake. That gives you, after you take the step of breaking 13 into its summation parts, the denominator remains the same. You take 13, you say 6 plus 6 plus 1. You further break that down and say 6 over 6 plus 6 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Now and then the 6 over 6 becomes 1. Here the 6 over 6 becomes 1. And then we simply add 1 over 6. So this becomes 2 plus 1 6. 2 plus 1 6, or 2 and 1 6. Now here, I like to point out how to multiply fractions. Show you, you have A over B multiplied by, you want to say, we use this large dot for a multiplication symbol. These letters are called variables. So a variable is a letter that we use to represent a number. To vary means change. Because they could change, we're saying these could change value. These could be used to represent any numbers. Okay? We use our letters to represent variables, but to represent numbers. Now, this form is going to be equivalent to A over C over BD. Okay? So this, in other words, we're saying A over D times C over D equals AC over BD. Meaning to multiply the numerators so we multiply the numerators across the top and place result in numerator's position. In the numerator's position. Now you multiply the denominators all the way across and place the result in the denominator's position of the result. Now you notice we have different denominators, but when you multiply fractions, you can multiply fractions with unlike denominators. So we say that fractions fractions with unlike denominators they can be multiplied. They can be multiplied, but cannot